I have already checked what was inside and it's all cleaners. So guys, this is all homemade butter. Where is that? Hey guys, good morning. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, karibuni sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for opting to watch me again. So I have a business related vlog today, and I have a new consignment that just came in, and let me show you what it is. It's the stainless cleaners. It's 500 ml. Let me show you the boxes that they came in. So I have 3 boxes. This is 1, this is 2. I have already checked what was inside and it's all cleaners. Here is a 3rd one. I have also opened. So for every box you get 45 pieces. So I ordered many, so 3 cartons. 3 cartons, and all of them are exactly the same. And I think every box has 45 pieces. I thought they were 40, but they are 45 pieces. That means I have so many extras, but hizo zote ni za watu. So yeah. Now how much did I pay for these ones? Guys were paying 200 bob buying price in China, and clearing 150. That means the total came to about 350. But now here in Kenya they go for 600, 650, 800 per stainless cleaner. I'm gonna insert a video so you see how they work, but yeah, that's about it. Quite happy. So I just got back home, and here are the stainless cleaners. I went ahead and opened this one. These 3 are for someone that I've brought for in the estate. So we have this one here. As I said, I opened to see how the paste looks like, because I know I'm gonna be asked. And so it's whitish in color. Let me refocus it. So this is how this paste looks like, and I'm hoping it's going to work for my cooker, because that's one of the many reasons I got it, and for my stainless steel sufurias, because I have a few. But yeah, this is how this looks like. And from here, so this is what it says. Quickly and effectively remove stubborn stains on the surface of the stainless steel appliances. Oxidation and rust stains on the stainless steel appliances. Blacken dirt on aluminum alloy, tin alloy, and other appliances. Oxidation of doors and windows. All dirt that is difficult to remove on the surface of tiles and marble. This is not recommended for super bright objects. That's something to note. And you should store it at room temperature and placed in a place that is not easily accessible to children. So yeah, that's about it. It's from China, of course. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll show you when I'm using this to see if it actually works, because we've never shipped. This is the first time that we shipped it, and we shipped 130 something pieces of the stainless cleaner. All right, what's up guys? So today is the next day. It's on a Tuesday. I just did my very natural makeup and laid the edges, and then I want to show you some shoes that I got. I was in Kamukunji last week and I got some shoes. They are a size lower because these are a 41 and I'm a 42, but they fit. I've been wearing the silver one And yeah, that shop you have to buy 3 pairs all the same. You can take different sizes, but you have to take, if it's this design, it has to be this design, 3 pairs. So this is the brown one, but I'm not gonna wear this. I'm going to wear a maroon pair that I got, but this I bought in silver. I thought they were cute and I would show you. As I said, this is a 41 and they didn't have a 42. In fact, they don't come in a 42, and the laces are here. Let me locate the other ones because I want to wear a pair. So they are dirty, they haven't been wiped, but so I'm not going to wear this. I'll wear a black pair. So these are the other Vans that I got. Yeah, they're Vans of Vans of the wall. Anyway, so here, and these are the silver ones. I had worn these ones yesterday. When was yesterday? It was a Monday, right? Today is a Tuesday. So why are these ones not white? I think I had worn this on Saturday, so I'm not going to wear either of these, and I'm also not going to wear this. I'll look for a black pair. Let me look for that and then show you. But yeah, these are my latest purchases. These ones were going for $8.50 wholesale, and these ones were going for 1,000 bob wholesale, the maroon ones. And I'm thinking of getting a yellow pair because I saw a yellow one, because they are so comfortable. These ones fit me a little bit, but they are comfortable. They are comfortable because they do not finya me here. So Napa, this is usually the place I have a problem with most of shoes, most of the new shoes that I buy. So these were a good purchase. So this is the Mtumba pair that I'm going to wear. This one was Mtumba purchase that I got a while ago. Let me quickly do that and then show you, because they fit okay. Their fit is okay. Plus the jeans na vikiato zina match in a way, because I'm wearing a blackish, grayish pair. Let me show you. After I'm done wearing, guy, kuinama hii ni shida jameni. We're getting old. So this is her in all of her glory. And so here is the pair. This is how this one look on me. Pretty comfortable. This is the reason why I love these shoes. The way they make me feel comfortable, and then I don't have to collect so much dust as if I were wearing open shoes. So I love these ones. Besides that, I've had this pair for a very long time. Right now it's more than 5 months and it hasn't faded, and I wear it almost on a weekly basis, and as I said, it hasn't faded. So it's a good pair. And yeah, I'm headed out to town right now. Just a normal day, working day. I am not doing anything other than going to the shop and then updating the group. I'm gonna leave a link so you can join if you are interested. Join the home imports group. So that's basically what has been keeping me so busy, that I even forget to upload, or I don't have time to upload a new video. So guys, I'm gonna see you baadaye kidogo. So next up, let's make our homemade butter. This is some cream that I have been collecting for the past few weeks since I buy milks and then boil and then collect the cream. So next up, we will add some water so that we can blend this up, and to separate now the butter itself, the oil, from the buttermilk. That's what they call now the water that is collected later. We'll take a blender and then we will blend all this together so that we can extract the butter now, which is in the cream. And you know me, I like to multitask. I was also making some beef, okra with beef, and I found this very nice recipe from the internet, YouTube, of course, from Nigerian chefs and food lovers, those who love to cook. So I found this recipe from I don't remember her name, but I'm going to put her up below. so that you can go and follow her content. So we have the beef. The beef was already cooked, so we added, this is grated okra. You just add and then mix in with the beef that you already have there. We had already added some onions before I added in the okra. Anyway, you just mix, and then you add in your tomatoes, but grated tomatoes, or you can blend your tomatoes, whichever that you prefer. But I also had removed the peels, so I put in water and then, no, I just grated it and then removed the peel. And because I didn't want to use water, I used soup that I had collected from the meat. This soup is from this meat, and it actually gives your food some flavor if you do not use water, because that's like diluting your taste yenye unapata. So after mixing everything together, I went ahead and added now the chopped okras, so that everything gets ready together. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah, itaiva pamoja sasa yote. Back to my butter, I continued to blend until now the butter itself becomes separate from the water. So after blending, make sure that you put some water into the fridge so that it makes the butter collect easily or easier, or you can add some ice cubes and let it sit for a while and then compile the butter from the buttermilk. This water is freezing cold because it was in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. That's why you see me collecting the butter on the side first, and then foam it and then rinse it with very cold water as well, so that you have your butter. Here our okra, as you can see, the color has changed. It was already ready. So I went ahead and added some spinach. I didn't have the bitter leaves, or what they call them, but I did have spinach in the fridge, frozen, but I had removed them earlier. So this is how that's looking, and yeah, this will be ready in a few minutes, and then I will just go ahead and make some ugali. And of course you can taste to feel if the salt is well enough or not. And so here you have it, guys. I'm done cooking, and this is what we are going to have for dinner with some ugali. I'm gonna make ugali and brown ugali. So guys, oh my gosh, I can't believe I have so much butter right here, and it has already hardened because I added some ice cubes, and I also rinsed it with very cold water. And that was water that I had put in the fridge earlier. And here I have my butter, so I need to take another paper, wrapping paper, and then dry this and then put it in the fridge and then transfer it to the bowl that I bought for butter. Let's do that. So guys, here I have my baking papers. I got this so long ago. I actually can use it to bake. So here is my butter. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made all this butter. This is in fact more than 500 grams that is being sold for a lot of money right now in the supermarkets. Can you see how much this is? This is so much. And then right here I will remove this one for now because this water is so cold. And then also here I have my buttermilk. This one I'm going to use to bake something with this. Unaweza pikia mandazi ama certain things like that. And because this is oil, I will return it back there. I don't want to throw away anything because why should I? I have put in so much work in making this. Look at my hands. This is how you tell this is pure butter. This is pure butter, guys. Right here, I have more, just a little. And it's so hard already. Anyway, let me warm some and then make some mandazis right now. In the meantime, I'm going to place this in the fridge because it's ready. Can't believe I did this. So here is my butter. I hope you try making it yourself. Now to this one you can actually mix in your garlic or salt to make it salted butter, but this one will do for now. I can always add salt where it's needed. So yeah guys, let me put it in the container so you see. So guys, this is all homemade butter. Where is that? Yep, all homemade. As you can see, there's no water that's coming out. That means it's good. I can now refrigerate and I can start using it anytime now.